She's so scared. I laugh. She's gonna stab me. I want to stay in the car park anymore. Hiya, we didn't get any dips.
Which dip you want, darling?
Barbecue and ketchup. That's one. Thank you.
Go ahead.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Right, potatoes, please. I'll explain why.
Our lady just came up to
Oh,
us.
please tell me she's left.
She's really like scary. Just don't park near her. Park straight in front of you. Park straight in front of you. She's in that white car.
Is she in that one? Can she leave? She was scary. Oh well.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. My name's Ella.
And I'm Olivia, and today we are doing a McDonald's car mukbang.
Mukbang. I was watching Colleen. What's her surname?
Oh, Miranda one.
Miranda Sims the other day, and she said everyone was hating on her because, like, they said a mukbang should be with loads of food, not just one meal.
Yeah, but people also critique people saying, "Oh, this glamorises binge eating."
True.
Can't win. Well, if you want to talk about small portions, I just got a portion of chips because I didn't really fancy the vegan wrap, so I'm just gonna get something from Tesco later. Okay, so what can we talk about?
I don't really know. Creepy man just pulled up next to me.
Your door locked. Good. Do you see? I locked my door straight away. This woman just approached us, which is.
I'm surprised you rolled down your window.
What can I do? Yeah, but we're gonna come back here, so I don't want to beef with her.
No, I wouldn't have rolled down my window. She could have stabbed you. You never know.
I did it a slit. You not realise I only did a little bit. I wouldn't do it all the way.
She was like poking her fingers in the window, like.
Next time. Oh, it just made me. Put on charge.
Your phone just went from 20 to 10%, like
Put on charge,
that.
please.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm telling you, my
I
phone's
can't
trash.
move. I found some wine.
I kind of want to cut off the other two that aren't Apple ones because it's really annoying, like getting them mixed up.
What do you mean?
Right.
Yeah,
These
that's
ones.
true.
That was Miss I.
Cycle back. She's fine. July, be lie. You do that again. Lie, be lie. July, be
And
lie.
here we have a July be like Gucci Gendai. You used to say that all the time. Going on your life then. What did you do today? Oh, actually, you can't say that.
Walk the dog.
What dog?
There, walk my dog.
Just see.
Missy.
You?
Yeah.
Where'd you go to walk at? Private field.
No, we just went to the field.
Can I ketchup, please? Isn't there any other dogs
But you
there?
ordered barbecue for a reason, and now she wants my ketchup.
Just a little bit.
Fine.
Before you put the cheese in. Yeah, isn't there other dogs there, thanks?
Yeah. I just kept on the lead.
She didn't pull you over or anything.
It's not that strong.
So how come she used to take you to a private field?
Because
So
it's
you let
less
her run
stressful.
So you get her run off on the lead?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Did
Does she come back and call her name? That's what she doesn't. You just bring her on the lead. Of course has. I want to drive back. That was a big roundabout. Quite scary.
I look like a chipmunk when I eat.
So
Oh my god, guess what?
what are you doing this weekend there?
What
Is
am I
Thomas
doing?
coming over? You moved to uni? Actually turn up to one of your lectures for once? Joking.
Let's talk about what we did last weekend.
We didn't film our get ready with us last time. Next time we will.
So, on the weekend, on Friday.
Oh my god, it was last
Friday
weekend.
night.
It was like ages ago.
Last Friday night we went. Well, Olivia, Taylor, and Jodie came to my uni.
Played Cards Against Humanity.
Oh, that was so funny, wasn't it?
It was so fun. And then you and Taylor and Tom all got salty because me and Jodie were beating everyone.
Her and Jodie always win, and it pisses everyone off.
Taylor thought me and you were cheating. I was like, why would Ella cheat with me? She didn't want me to win. She's so competitive.
No, you're competitive.
Well,
I always
both of us are.
lose.
Yeah, it's good to have some healthy competition.
What was I saying?
I got the most points.
So we were playing Cards of Humanity, and I thought the cards were like everyone. I thought every flat had a set of cards, and then one of my roommates walked in and was like, "Oh, you're playing with my cards, I see." I was like, "Oh my god, I'm so
awkward.
sorry," but he didn't care. He's really nice. And then he brought out the little disco light.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
What did he do with that after? Did he take it back?
Must have done. He had a night in anyway.
And then when we got back at 4 AM. We went to a
it was
gay
rough
bar.
night. Yeah. I oh my god, on the way back, Taylor gave me a piggyback.
Did he? I don't even remember. Apparently, oh my god.
Oh my god, were you drunk at that point?
Yeah.
Were you? Ooh.
Apparently, I don't remember this. Tom's friend probably thinks I'm a psycho. Because when we came out the club, you know that girl that was whispering in Tom's ear to come
Oh
outside?
my god, yeah.
We went.
Brown curly hair girl.
Yeah. We got out of the club, and then Will was like, "Oh, we just have to wait for her." And I was like, "No, we fight her, mate." And I was like, and then I went like this, "I'm gonna fight her."
Really?
Yeah.
I kind of remember that. Was that outside the door?
Mm.
I kind of remember that.
And they're telling me about this girl in their lecture. And joke, he went, "Yeah, Tom fancied her," and I slapped Tom as a joke. Like, and then now apparently I'm a psycho, and Tom's like, "You
really thinks you're a psycho?
No, that's what Tom's telling me.
Do you think he's lying?
I don't know, but that is kind of psycho-ish. Started like just chatting.
I was on my best behaviour the other night. It's good. I finished my chips.
She was drinking water in a club.
So I drank all my wine. I had a dry mouth.
Why don't you get like a vodka then?
I wasn't spending
Only
any more
one.
money.
No, not for free.
I didn't know. I didn't know at the time. It all dark. I didn't even go in the bar at all hardly.
Oh,
Do my lights keep going dark?
You know.
Conspiracy. Right, can I put this back in the bag?
Now I think back, it's so cringe we were dancing.
I know. I bet everyone was like, who are these idiots?
Village idiots. We were having fun.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Is your cheese bites in there?
Yeah.
I just dumped my barbecue all over them.
I know. I hate barbecue.
Sorry. I used to hate it until Taylor like got me into it. In fact, that was merely a snack. I need more food. Come in. Yeah, Derek, we can burp.
Yeah,
That was such a weird comment. I'm sorry, but who comments that? Derek, if you're watching this, we love you.
Mhm.
So good.
I've been doing TikToks recently.
I've never done TikTok. I don't even watch them. Like, I feel like I will go through a phase of watching them, but I just don't at the moment.
I'll show you one I learned in a minute. No!
You still some mine.
This is my dinner. I took 2 of yours.
Get some stuff at Tesco.
I don't want it for phone. This is my dinner. You only get 4 cheese bites.
Only 4?
Yeah.
How much is it for 4?
No.
Oh, I'll give you. Well, how much was it? £5.88. So about half of it's like £3.
Mm.
So you got 2 things each. Yeah. Can I sip on my Coke? Because I know like you can't have it, but sip.
That's what I don't even want it, no thanks.
I've got so many of these cards. I keep finding them like, all over the place. Parking cards. That's how you know you're an adult.
Give me 5 and I'll give you £4.
What? I give you 5, you give me 4. Then I'm only paying you a pound.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm giving you a pound.
Yeah, I don't care.
No, I'm paying you. Not fair.
Oh, no, she's gone.
Make me a psycho.
That was so good.
That
I
was
kind of want to
so
go back to the
good.
drive-thru and get a drink.
Just have a sip of my Coke. You're not gonna die.
I don't want Coke. Can I get a Sprite, please?
You want to go back through it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that is so fast. Okay, right. Part of the mukbang, we're gonna go back through the drive-thru. Right, let's make
We've
sure.
gone through it twice already.
Oh my god, it's so
I
embarrassing.
found someone. I found someone.
Okay, that's too dark.
I found somewhere. Wait, let me show you one of my TikToks. So it goes like this. It goes.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Taylor was showing me the video of us dancing. You know, we were doing that foot thing,
Yeah.
and we're all over the place.
Really?
Oh my god, it's so bad. It's so.
Now I'm
You fall
embarrassed.
over basically. It's so funny. You're getting a Sprite. Wait, I swear you can't have caffeine.
There's no caffeine in Sprite.
Really?
No.
It's good. Okay, right. Okay. Oh my god, second time.
Oh, I want that
Third
millionaire's
time.
donut.
Do you want that as well?
No.
Okay, that's fine.
Healthy.
Coffee queen over here.
Do you think they can sense when a car's here?
That's what I was thinking.
Say hello.
Hello? There's no one in there, I can see.
Reverse a bit.
I'm at the place.
Hello.
Oh my god. Hi, can I get a Sprite please?
Yeah, everything else.
No, that's everything, thanks. My dad was on a work call today and like talking to a supplier to get stuff,
Yeah.
and at the end of it I said love you. My dad was so mad at me.
What?
Let's whip round. I wonder how much it is, like
It's
150?
119.
It's a bit of a random price, right? Make sure I'm not close enough this time. Okay, this is so embarrassing. This is the 3rd time we've gone through.
Are you gonna drive straight out this time?
Yeah. I'm going back in the
Yeah,
car
but
park.
things not set up.
We can wait there in a minute. Hiya. Thanks. Thank you. Bye.
next time after we go clubbing and eating, we should.
I'm called Honey now.
Next time we should go. Thank you. Next time we should go. I can't get my words out. Next time we go to clubbing at my uni, we should go to the 24-hour McDonald's after.
Where is it? Is it close?
It's like a 10-minute walk.
Oh.
Hi again.
Hi again. Thank
you.
Bye.
Good night.
Bye. You too.
Bye. Thank you.
Woohoo! I hate you two to a good night. That's embarrassing. Right, let's sort my sat nav out.
Oh wait, she said good night and you said you too. Oh my god.
Well, no, I mean like have a good night. Should have set it back. Oh well, right, let's set my sat nav up.
McDonald's Sprite is good.
Okay, guys,
Isn't it?
that concludes our mukbang. It's very short and sweet, but we didn't have that much food.
Like
so.
us, tee hee.
So we will see you in our next video. Bye!